So any website to crawling by the Bing search engine or Yahoo search engine. Purpose we can use it for Bing Webmaster Tool. In this, select your site, copy the URL. For indexing purpose, you can submit URL by your Bing Webmaster Tool. In this, just scroll down, select your site name, exact site name. Go for back. Select here. To understanding for Yahoo and Bing search engine, the option call is submit URLs. The submit URL per day we can submit only for 10 URLs. Per day we can submit for 10 URLs. Copy and click for submit. Copy, click for submit. So how many page URL? Copy the URL. Select by your submit. Is it clear? This is called in a particular website for index on where Bing and Yahoo search engine purpose. This will be very important. Submit the URL. This URL will be submit when updating for XML sitemap. Without updating XML sitemap, the page URL not URL crawling by Bing and Yahoo search engine. When success, will submit the URL. Suppose study website, submit only for only for one time. Anyway, here is submit by how many links? Only for 10 links. Remaining 8 will be pending. Is it clear? This is called submit by the Bing and Yahoo search engine purpose. With using XML site